Tell me something. What is going on at present?
Actually, this is known as Solai Alayam. Solai means sacred groups का shrine. Sacred groups protector है, आयनार देवता है और इनका टोटल इनका जो दरबार बोलते हैं टोटल श्राइन के साथ बैठा हुआ है, विराजमान है. इसका रीवैम्प किया है और इसको वी आर इंस्टॉलिंग टुडे. एंड इसका जितना भी इसका बेस्ट पार्ट है, दिस इज द इवन तमिलनाडु में भी जो सेक्रेट ग्रुप्स का जो कॉम्प्लेक्स आइनो कॉम्प्लेक्स दे मेक स्मॉल आर्ट्स एंड ऑफरिंग्स, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट वन. सो वी कैन
Now it is one of the biggest.
So we can say it is one of the biggest complex in India, Asia, world,
In the world.
And there are a lot of features in this complex. One is, these are Ayanar is totally a vegetarian god. And in his shrine there are people who give sentence to the culprits and who do wrongdoing. So these are the three deities who give to execute the version of Ayanar. Whatever he say king, whatever he say execute, he will execute.
So our museum is going live.
Punishment.
So I will just ask how many artists have arrived.
Around 10 artists from Malayur, Tamil Nadu. So they work for more than last 60 days. And
What is going to be held now?
they are going to ask the INR to come to Bhopal and be placed here and protect the Bhopal, whole Bhopal. So he is the deity of what is say
They are the guardian deities.
God deity. So they are asking us to come here and then be here and protect the Ayana used to go around every day night in his hours throughout the village. Like that he will go around the Bhopal and protect.
Tell me something about this new exhibition which is being revamped.
Yeah, this is already made in IGRMS, but we have revamped it. And the artists from Tamil Nadu, 10 artists from Tamil Nadu came here. They worked for 50 days and they created this beautiful, INR complex here. At the center, you can see the INR and his two wives. And there are guardian deity. INR is he is a protector of a village, and he's a he take care of the village and take care of the forest, field, take care of everything of their life also. So we are doing a puja here, and today the inauguration of this complex INR Devalaya is going on.
What will be your message to the museum viewers?
I would like to say that IGRMS is always doing, is continuously working on protecting and preserving our cultural heritage both in tangible and intangible forms. So our motto is still that we are, doing the things to revive the things and to accept the changes also. And the complex was made by the grandfather. Now the third generation is coming here and they are still maintaining the tradition. So we are with them, and our motto is to bringing communities to the museum and taking museum to the communities. And